If your Ford Ranger just clicks when you turn the key, you are likely facing a simple electrical hurdle. Statistically, 8 out of 10 starting issues on this truck are related to simple battery or connection problems. Let us break down the diagnostics to find your specific culprit. Start by cleaning your battery terminals and checking the ground strap for any loose connections. These three components are the most common reasons your Ford Ranger is stuck in silence. If the battery is solid, look toward the neutral safety switch or a worn-out starter motor. Try the basic electrical fixes at home before committing to a shop visit for major components. Costs vary significantly, but replacing a cable is much cheaper than pulling the starter motor itself. If you have a multimeter, perform a voltage drop test to see if your cables are resisting current flow. Keep these three tools handy to handle 90% of all starting system malfunctions. Remember that a clean connection is often better than an expensive new part. Check your connections, test your voltage, and you will have that Ranger starting again in no time.